All right, so can you tell us what company you're working for and what do you guys do?
JWF Industries. We are metal manufacturing. We do large fabrications, both welding, machining, paint, fabrication.
Excellent. And what are the challenges you're seeing in your shop right now?
Biggest challenge is just getting the manpower to be able to do it for machining and welding and everything else. I think everyone's having that same problem at this point in time. So we're looking to find better ways to replace the skill level and everything.
Good. And do you have any prior robotics experience or system in shop?
Yes, we have about 10 or 11 robotics in our facility right now, so we do have a bunch of machines, yes.
And you just experienced the Cobot Cutter here. What was your experience with it? How do you find the programming and everything?
I think it's very user-friendly. I just tried it out here for the first time. It seems to be something that you can teach people pretty quick, which is exactly what we're looking for.
Excellent. And how do you see that work into your production environment and what you guys do? How would you see the operations?
Well, I think instead of putting small parts on a big robot right now, you can use some tables this size and be able to, free up that capacity on the bigger machines and get stuff like this in here. I think we can use the welding more than the plasma cutting, but I can definitely see the welding being a big part of our future.
Good. And do you have those instances where do you have a big laser welding table machine?
Yes, we do. We have a fiber optic laser for as far as the cutting side.
Okay, good. And do you have those instances where you have smaller batches, smaller parts that would need some operation off that table?
Yes, exactly. We do have some smaller parts. A lot of it we try to nest in with the same parts, so we do plates as much as possible, but there are some smaller stuff that we do, yes.
So would you see that being handy?
Absolutely, yes.
All right, thank you so much for sharing your experience.
And thank you.